Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you today? I hope you all will be fine. I am Ikra Anwar. I am a science teacher in KPS school. Class 3, subject science, topic life cycle of a plant. Plants are called producers because they make their own food. सबसे पहले व्हाट आर प्रोड्यूसर, जब कोई चीज़ प्रोड्यूस करता है या जनरेट करता है, ऐसे पर्सन को हम प्रोड्यूसर कहते हैं. सिमिलरली प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड प्रोड्यूसर बिकॉज दे मेक देयर ओन फूड. ये अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. प्लांट हैज़ क्लोरोफिल इन लीव्स दैट टेक सनलाइट फ्रॉम सन and make their own food by a process which is called photosynthesis. What is the chemistry of photosynthesis? The process by which plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to make food. In this picture, students, you can see plant takes carbon dioxide from environment through leaves and sunlight absorbed through chlorophyll and take water from roots and make their own food in the form of glucose and release oxygen gas that enable life possible on earth. That is why plants are called producers, because they make their own food. They are autotroph बिकॉज दे मेक देयर ओन फूड. ना सिर्फ ये अपना न्यूट्रिशन बनाते हैं बल्कि हेट्रोट्रॉफ. फॉर एग्जांपल ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑल्सो डिपेंड ऑन प्लांट्स. दैट इज़ वाई प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड प्रोड्यूसर्स बिकॉज दे मेक देयर ओन फूड. स्टूडेंट्स, प्लांट्स डिफर इन साइज, शेप and environment in which they live. Students, when we go in a garden, we see plants are of different size and shape. Some plants are big, some are small, and some are so small. Big and strong plants are called trees. For example, mango tree, peepal. These are strong and big plants. That is why they are called trees. While small and weak plants are called herbs. For example, mint, coriander and tulsi. These plants are small and weak. They do not have strong trunk. There is a weak stem. Some plants have weak stem. They cannot grow on their own. They need support, wall, stick or any other support for their growth. Students, such plants are called climbers because they need support to grow. Such plants are called climbers. They are grapevine and pea plant. Students, some plants grow along the ground are called creepers. For example, pumpkin and watermelon. Similarly, two plants can never be same, such as no two human beings are same. Plants also differ in shape. Some has round shape like ball, and some has oval shape, and some has like ice cream cone. Students, you look that some plants has round shape. For example, mango tree, and some trees has like ice cream cone. For example, conifers. So we can say plants differ in shape. In this picture you can see there are different plants of different shape, and the environment in which they live is called habitat. Plants are everywhere on the earth. We can see plants in hills, plains, desert, and in also under the water. In this picture you can see there are different plants that differ in shape, size, and environment in which they live. They have different adaptations to survive in their environment. Students, plants make some changes for survive in changing surrounding. This ability of plant is called adaptation. Those trees grow in plains, have woody stem, broad leaves, and have umbrella-like shape. For example, mango tree, peepal, and plants grow in desert, have fleshy stem and thorn-shaped leaves. This adaptation of desert plant enable us to store water in their stem and leaves because fleshy stem has strong cuticle which prevent the loss of water, and thorn-shaped leaves have small surface area for the evaporation of water from leaves. So this is the adaptation of desert plants to live in desert environment. Desert are hot and sandy places. The deficiency of water in the ground. We can say plants differ in size, shape, and environment in which they live, and they have different adaptations to survive in their surrounding. Plants produce fruits, vegetables, stem, roots, and flowers. We eat different parts of plants. We eat fruits in the form of brinjal, and we eat vegetables. We eat the stem of plant, for example, sugarcane. We eat the roots of plant, for example, carrot and radish. Flowers are the lovely, colorful, and often sweet smell, a reproductive part of the plant. Flowers are of different shape, size, and color. In this picture you can see the flowers that are different shape, size, and color. Flowers are important part of the plant. We also eat the flowers of some plants, for example cauliflower. Students, in this lecture we have learned that plants are producers because they make their own food by a process which is called photosynthesis, and plants differ in shape, size, and environment in which they live. They have different adaptations to survive in changing surroundings, and plants produce fruits, vegetables, stem, roots, and flowers, and we eat different parts of plants, and flowers are the important prominent part of the plant. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.